Good morning, dear students. Now let us learn our new exercise 5.2. In this exercise, you have to learn conversion of fraction into decimal number and conversion of decimal number into fraction, just vice versa. Okay, so here I am taking one example. No need to do this work in a copy. For explanation, here I am doing like example is given 3.5. How many decimal numbers are there? 1. So there should be decimal. If you remove this decimal from in this decimal number, then in denominator it will come 10. एंड हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? 10 कैसे आया? जितने डेसिमल नंबर होते हैं उतने जीरो अपन नीचे लिखते हैं. इफ इट इज योर वन डेसिमल नंबर, सो यू हैव टू राइट योर 1 0 एंड राइट 1. Okay, this decimal number, when you have to remove, it become a fraction. And in fraction denominator always come 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, suppose that the example is given and then after you can write here like that 35 upon 10. This is your first question 3.5. Okay, now second question, if it is given 3.45. Two decimal numbers are there, so you want to remove it, two decimal number, so you have to make this one half circle and then this curve you have to make, and this arrow it's represent where this decimal value, position of this decimal value, यानी कहाँ पे जाएगी? नीचे up below of this line. So how many decimal numbers are there? 2. So you have to put here the 20. Then number it become in fraction. Fraction में क्या number हो जाएगा? 345 upon 100. Okay, is it clear? Next, one more. Suppose three decimal numbers is there, 1.456. So you have to remove three decimal number. Then below of this line, how many zeros are there? 3. According to the decimal number, you have to put here the 0. The number fraction it become 1456 upon 1000. So it is easy now. How can you convert this decimal number into a fraction? This is the example of decimal number into fraction. Now we will do the vice versa. Vice versa means just opposite. What opposite? Now the fraction is given. Fraction, which fraction? Decimal fraction. And these are the decimal fraction. Those who are having 10, 100 and 1000. Decimal fraction. Which fractions are having 10 in denominator, 100, 1000. These are the fraction called decimal fraction. Remember always. Okay, now we want to convert this decimal fraction in decimal number. Okay, and how is it possible? Same the process. Remember always, number of zeros in denominator that depend on decimal number. It's depend on decimal number. Now like example is given, the example is 3 upon 10. So number of 0 it's depend on decimal number. So number of 0 it means 1. So in numerator how many decimal numbers are there? 1. So 3 is there. So you have to put here the decimal in front of 3. Now that answer is 0.3. If no whole numbers there, then you can take here the 0. You know it, before the decimal that is called a whole number and after the decimal that is called a decimal number. Okay, now one more example I can take, 34 upon 100. So how many decimal numbers are there? How many zeros are there? 2. Okay, so here is a 2 0. It means in numerator should be 2 digits are there. So two decimal number you have to put here 0.34. If the decimal number is there 1000. Okay, 348. So how many zeros are there? 3 0 and 3 decimal number. So you have to put here the decimal in front of the 3 decimal number, and no whole numbers is there, so you have to put here the 0. Suppose the question is given, there is a different question, 3, 4, and here is a 10. So how many zeros are there? 1. So you have to take from back side one digit and mark it, and this is the decimal number. Okay, so you have to put in front of this 4 point 3.4. Understand now? One more take. 5, it is given 3, 4, 8, 9 divided by 100. So how many zeros are there? 2 0, and you have to take 2 decimal number from back side. This is a 2 decimal number, so you have to put here the point in front of 89. So that whole number 34 and the decimal number 89 according to the zeros. Understand now what is a decimal fraction, and this the how to make this fraction, decimal fraction, into this decimal number. And now look our exercise questions. No need to do this type of the example for explanation, that's why I am doing here. One more concept I want to teach you, equivalent fraction. First, before going to through our exercise, that you have to clear your topic, what you have to learn in your exercise, equivalent decimal. What is equivalent decimal? If we will look at here 0.7, okay, then these are the equal 0.70, and here is also 0.700. How many decimal numbers are there? 1 here, here is a 2, and here is a 3. So these should be equal. Should be equal. Here is a no difference. If you are putting in front of the digit 0, it should be difference. अगर इसके आगे अगर अपन 0 लगाते हैं डेसिमल नंबर में, इट शुड बी डिफरेंट, ये डिफरेंट होगा. बट अगर अपन डेसिमल नंबर में पीछे की तरफ 0 लगा रहे हैं तो देयर इज़ अ नो डिफरेंस, बिकॉज यू हैव टू रीड योर डेसिमल नंबर लाइक दैट 0.7, 0.70, 0.700. हियर यू आर नॉट रीडिंग, आप यहाँ पे इस तरीके से रीड नहीं करेंगे 7, 70, 700. So remember always, in equivalent decimal you can put so many 0 in decimal number, and there is a no difference, that number it become this one. Suppose that this is the number is given 8000000, so many zeros are given, but the number it become only 0.8. Understand now? So in decimal, if you want to make equivalent decimal, so you can put here 1 0 2 0 3 0 and so on 0 according to the given condition we have to put. Understand now? These are the equivalent decimal example. Now look our exercise question. Write the following in decimal form. Decimal form में लिखना है. So how many zeros are there? 3 0. I told you already. This decimal number depend on this zeros. 3 0. It means you have to leave the 3 digit from back side. So this is a 3 digit. Mark them. Mark कर दिया. अब you have to put decimal point 45.364. Okay. Mark first decimal number according to the 0. Here is a 1 0, so mark it decimal number 4, 38.4. Okay, now here is also 3 0, so that mark on 3 decimal number from back side, the number it become 3.941. Now easily you can do this type of the questions. Now here I am explaining to you this B1. Here is how many zeros are there? 3 0, but here is only 2 digit. So first you have to make 3 digit number. अब कैसे बनाओगे? 36 को तुम्हें 36 ही रखना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. ओके, अब इसको अगर पीछे तुमने 0 लगाया, इफ़ यू आर पुटिंग द इन ए बैक साइड या बिहाइंड ऑफ दिस डिजिट 0, तो ये तो 360 बन जाएगा. दे शुड बी नॉट इक्वल. 36 और 360 में कितना डिफरेंस होता है? होता ही नहीं होता. वैसे ही अगर यहाँ पे 2 लिखा और मैंने इसके आगे 02 लगा दिया, तो देयर शुड बी डिफरेंस. इनमें डिफरेंस होना चाहिए, और नहीं है. नथिंग, नो टू मच डिफरेंस आर देयर. ओके, सो 02 बोलो या 2 बोलो, सो वेन एवर यू हैव ए रिक्वायर्ड मोर डेसिमल नंबर, अगर तुम्हें रिक्वायर्ड है मोर डेसिमल नंबर की, देन यू हैव टू पुट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द 0 अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर ऑफ zeros. Okay, so here is a number of zeros 3, and here is a number of decimal number only 2 is there. We want to one more, so you have to put here the 0. Okay, now it is balancing. 036, 3 decimal number, 3 zeros. Now put the decimal in front of these numbers. So that answer is 0.036, and there is a no whole number, so you have to take here the 0.036. Now look this one example. There is a 1 2 3 4 4 zeros are there and one decimal number. So we want only one decimal number is there. We want how many zeros? 3. So you have to put here 3 zeros. 1 2 3. Now it balancing, number of decimal and number of zeros are equal. Now put the decimal point. If you are putting here 0.0008, okay, and in front of decimal you have to take no whole number, then you can take here the 0. The number it become in decimal 0.0008. Understand now how can you do? Remember always, number of 0 in denominator, it's based on number of decimal number. Now next question. Express in fractional form. Fractional form, how can you do it? Remove this decimal point. If you will remove this decimal point, then here is how many decimal numbers are there? 2. So according to this decimal number, we have to put here the zeros. 2 decimal number, so you want to require 2 zeros. Here is a 3 decimal number, it is a required 3. It is required 3 zeros. Okay, if you remove this decimal. Understand now how can you do these questions? Next one. Fill in the blanks with the equivalent fraction. You want to make equivalent fraction. So easily I already told you 8 है, यहाँ पे 8 0 आएगा. You can take here 9.800 so on. कितने भी जीरो ले सकते हो, वो 9.8 ही रहेगा. 42.5 है, यहाँ पे भी 42.510. 2 0 है तो 1 0 अपन ने ले लिया. यहाँ पे ये 6.7 ही रहेगा. पीछे की तरफ इंक्रीज हो रहा है. इन अ बैक साइड यू कैन सी इंक्रीज देयर 0. सो द equivalent fraction start from 6.7. Here easily you can write 85.70, 85.700. 0.4, 0.400, it means 0.40. Here 5.1, start from 5.1, then after increase your 0 and making equivalent fractions, equivalent decimals. So understand now. Now next question. This question you have to do in book only. Express as a fraction and a decimal. One has been done for you. This is the example is given 5 centimeter 5 upon 100 meter, and this pencil is length 5 centimeter. Okay, then this centimeter you have to remove, then it should be divided by 100, because in 1 meter how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. When you are talking about just opposite of this 1 centimeter में कितने मीटर होंगे, then it should be divided by 100, then number it become in meter. Okay, so remember this two formulas. Okay, so you want to convert the centimeter into meter, so divide by 100, then number it become in decimal 0.05. You know how 0.05, how many zeros are there? 2 0. So 2 0 it balancing upper below the line numerator digit, a decimal number. So number of 0, यहाँ पे तो 1 ही decimal number है, so you want to 1 more, so you have to take here the 1 more 0. Now it balancing, now put the decimal number. Same as here 12 centimeter. Now we want to convert this 12 centimeter in meter, so 12 में किसका डिवाइड लगाएंगे? 100 का डिवाइड लगाया, the number it become 0.12, because there is a 2 0 and 2 numbers are there, 2 decimal numbers, so that's why it is a easy. Next, length of the pen 15 centimeter. Now divide with this 100, then it become 0.15. Same of this 10 rupees note, length 13 centimeter. Now easily you can do this 2 question. Do itself in book only. Now question number 1, 2 and 3 do in notebook also. Take any 5 examples and do it. This is the work all of you.